The animal of the day, August 31st, is the central bearded dragon or the binomial name Pogonovidiceps. Type: reptile, lizard. Diet: omnivore. Average lifespan: 10 to 15 years in wild. Size: 15.5 to 23 inches. Weight: 10 to 18 ounces. Population status currently the 31st of August 2024. Least concern. Population estimate: unknown. Native lands: Australia. Primary habitat: deserts, dry forests, and scrublands. Main predators: birds of prey, goannas, snakes, dingoes, feral cats, and foxes. Active time: diurnal. Species age: at most 250 million years old. Young name: hatchling. Notes: the males are usually distinguished from females by body features such as having a more developed beard. Bearded dragons are capable of inducing moderate changes in coloration based on mood. The bearded dragon can also slightly raise the pointed scales that run along either side of their throat, neck, head, and torso by inhaling air into their lungs to maximum capacity, causing the bearded dragon to appear larger to ward off predators. The bearded dragon has strong legs which enable it to lift its body completely off the ground while it moves, which can also aid in the reduction of heat absorption from the hot ground and facilitate airflow under the body. If exposed to the sun, the dorsal skin of the bearded dragon becomes darker, and if exposed to darkness, it will become lighter. The central bearded dragon, along with the other bearded dragon species, has a parietal eye or a third eye, which is a photoreceptor found on the center of the forehead and is responsible for thermoregulation and hormone regulation. Central bearded dragons are skilled climbers and often perch and bask on tree limbs, fence posts, and bushes. Often during the morning and early evenings, the central bearded dragon will bask in the sun on exposed branches or rocks and then retreat to shady areas or burrows during the hottest parts of the afternoon. Central bearded dragons are opportunistic omnivores and can consume significant quantities of vegetation and fruit such as parsley, kale, peppers, and sweet potatoes, as well as several favorite insects such as crickets, grasshoppers, beetles, caterpillars, moths, butterflies, or any insect that can comfortably be swallowed. This bearded dragon will also eat small rodents, other lizards, mealworms, and kingworms. Bearded dragons do not vocalize, except to hiss softly when threatened. Instead, they communicate through color displays, posture, and physical gestures such as arm waving and head bobbing. Both males and females will occasionally do fast and violent head bobs, which shows they are stressed out and need to be isolated. Bearded dragons can learn from watching the behavior of conspecifics. The breeding season typically occurs in early spring. Females will lay a clutch of 11 to 30 oblong-shaped eggs in a shallow nest dug in the sand and will hatch for 60 to 80 days depending on the incubation temperature. Every day is a new animal, so subscribe for more.